there, I'm Deanna. I am the owner of the Fiery Whisk Bakery. It's actually a bakery that I run right here from this kitchen. But today, my whole purpose for starting these series of YouTube videos is because I want to teach myself how to decorate cookies. I bake cookies. I've been baking cookies for years, but I've never tried my hand at decorating said cookies. So what I have here today is this box. I ordered a few basic cookie supplies so I can start my decorating. And I figure what I'll do is I will film myself as I teach myself. There may or may not be some wine involved. Tonight there's not. But what I want to do is go through this box, and I just want to show you a few things that I've purchased, obviously through Amazon, so that I could get started decorating cookies. A lot of times, most of us have cookie cutters lying around the house, and I do have a few. But there's a couple that I ordered that you'll see here in a second that I really wanted to give a shot. So anyway, I'm just going to go through this rather quickly and show you a couple things that work That's what we got. I hope you enjoyed my first video. It's a quick video, it's a basic video. Definitely not a professional at this YouTube thing. Maybe by the end of this I will be. Who knows what this might do. I'm hoping I'll get some cookie orders. It's a good time for me to start. We're here in late July, so we have the holidays coming up still this year. So maybe I'll be a natural and have hundreds of cookie orders for Thanksgiving and Christmas and Halloween and all that stuff. Who knows? But anyway, thanks for joining me today. I will be back soon. Bye.